Hello everyone, how are you all doing? Hope you all are staying safe, healthy, and spending some of your time in reading. In today's episode, we are going to discuss on a genre which the world badly needs right now. Yes, it is love and compassion. Maybe a little, but one that will last till the end of time. Before we begin, I request you to subscribe to my channel and always stay connected. Romantic books are the most popular book genre in the world right now, followed by crime and mystery. It is indeed the most hopeful and optimistic genre the world needs to embrace right now. Everyone goes through ups and downs in life. It may be personal, professional, or on the social stage. During these times when we are down, we need a little time in a fictional world to read about the people we connect with or a character who reflects us. Getting some rewards in those books and plots, and that keeps the hopes alive. In the other genre of books such as crime or drama, not all but many, the character of a woman is written only for the plot progression and it never tends to be woman-centric. Whereas in romantic books, women are presented at an emotional level which clicks with the reader. Here, you feel an wholehearted approach to shape characters which are sensitive to the reader's thoughts. In today's episode, we will discuss two newly launched romantic books which I feel my viewers should read. So, without further ado, let us begin the review. My Way to You by Catherine Bybee is a novel about hope and survival. It's about a woman's journey through tragedy which then leads to the discovery of love. The story is about Parker Sinclair, who has almost lost her house to the wildfires. After her parents' untimely death, she is looking after her younger brother and sister as well. She is forced to leave her college and work in a job she hates. She has to take care of the family property and avert any natural disaster to her home. The other character in the book is Colin Hudson, who is a public works supervisor and has to protect Parker's property and the neighborhood from further damage. Collins finds Parker's control freak nature attracts him the most. It's also the hardest to crack. Now, Colin's working overtime to help Parker open up her heart and trust him. This book is an emotional read and a small town romance which I'm sure will connect with you. The characters are very believable and you will definitely be happy by investing your time in them. The plot shows you the importance of a family and is written in a very sweet way. The only negative I could think about is the details of the disaster and her house, which is too in detail and becomes a little monotonous. This is the first book of the series, Creek Canyon, and you will surely want to read the next part. Paris is Always a Good Idea by Jen McKinley. This book released in July this year and is a story about Chelsea Martin, who has seen a lot of tragedies in her life. She has lost her mother to cancer and has seen her sister marry twice. She is a talented fundraiser for the American Cancer Coalition. Her father, who is an introvert, announces one day that he is getting remarried, and this sets off an emotional ride for Chelsea, who becomes distraught. She remembers that she has never been her happy self since she lost her mother. She recollects how 7 years ago she had a best time of her life when she took a gap of 1 year to tour all of Europe and had no worries or responsibilities to shoulder. Inspired to retrace her steps, she wants to find three men she had met back then: Colin in Ireland, John Claude in France, and Marcelino in Italy. Chelsea hopes that one of these three men who stole her heart so many years ago can help her find it again. The journey does not go as planned, and as Chelsea reconnects with her old self, she finds love in the least expected places. This is a perfect little rom-com which will never keep you bored. A travel bug will be triggered in your head, and the descriptions of these places are perfect. You will enjoy to read of the times she spent with the three guys, and who will she choose at the end? Read it out to find out. Both these books are available in the Kindle version on Amazon, and link to buy them are in the description below. I hope you liked my today's video. Let me know how you felt about it in the comment section below. Till the next time, signing off.